Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the gold prices will be moving on the next week. As we know that the price of gold has been declining continuously from from 6th of January. Okay, as you can see, a full continuous downtrend we can see. Okay, if you look at more, it was in this particular range from bound that the market was, gold price was continuously declining. See, if the gold price stays above 1800 to 1815, then we can expect that the trend has changed. Okay, but the price of gold was continuously falling down. Okay, it has made around 1815 on 24th of Feb. Now the trend is still down. So if you have any doubt regarding regarding your gold position, you can mail me at stock market trading live at gmail.com, or you can join my telegram channel, link in the description. Okay, and if you want to attend my workshop, you can mail me. We can discuss the time, and according to the time we can arrange our workshops. Okay, one-on-one as well as in the group. It's very reasonable also. See, now if we look at the chart, you have to watch the full video, then only you understand how I'm looking at the chart and telling you how the price change. See, look at this. The trend is still a downtrend. Okay, but if we look at a longer view, it is a downtrend. But if we look in a shorter view, see, if we look at this trend, the gold prices in this particular range, okay, in this particular range, and then from there, after breaking this range after 25th of Feb, it is in downtrend again, and after making a downtrend, it is in this particular range. You can see, if I show you a 1 month chart, see, a 1 month chart, this is the 1 month chart. See what it did, it is in this downtrend, made into this particular range, and then moved up and again made a new low. See, what I have to tell you, have to understand that if the market of the price of gold goes up, okay, it can't go like this. It has to hold for some time, then it can go up, or it will bounce down, or it will make a W pattern and then it will go up. Same follows when it comes down. It will come down, hold for some time, then it will come down, or what, it make a M pattern and then will come down, or it can bounce back. What we can see here is, see, downtrend, halting for some time, and then there is chances it can go down or it can bounce back. So now look at 5 days chart. This is the 5 days chart. This is the 5 days chart. What the gold price did, it was continuously in a volatile range. Okay, so what we have to do is, we have to, if the range is broken, then we can expect it can go high, it can go low. So the range we can expect if it stays below 1698 or 1700, then we can expect it can touch a level of around 1682, and then if it goes below this, then 1677. Okay, because the market was continuously, the gold price is continuously falling, okay, in the downside, and we can see the trend is down. Okay, so the as it already made a new low, so what we have to do, we have to, if it is tested twice, then we can expect that the trend, that if it tested twice, then there is high probability that it can go and touch a new low. See, if it stays below 1682, okay, after breaking 1688, okay, then there is a probability. See, first support is tested here, second support is tested here, there is probability if it goes below this level, okay, 1682 and then 1670, if it goes below this level, then we can expect it can touch a level of 1638, and then there is probability it can touch a level 1619, then it can touch a probability of 1575. once 1575 it touch, then we have seen this is the new resistance and it can touch a level of 1500 also. Okay, so what we can expect next week, that we are looking at a downtrend. Okay, so the trend is down till the time if it touches 1800. You can check my previous video, I have given a proper resistance above this level. So upside I'm not telling you, you can check my last video, but downside I can tell you. See, okay, I have told you if it goes 1575, and then what we can expect, it can touch a level of 1558, and then from there if it goes below this level, then 1516, and then if it touches, then we can expect it can touch a level of 1500. Okay, the next support I can see is around 1488. Okay, if it goes below 1500 and stays there, then we can see this is the first level is tested, twice level is tested, and first level is tested, twice level is tested, then it can go below 1452. Okay, there is probability it can go below this level. Okay, 1452. So if it goes below this level, then you should hold your position with a stop loss of 1488, and then we can expect it can touch a new level of 1400 also, and then can go below this level. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe.